I remember stepping into what was supposed to be a relaxing shower after a grueling day, only to be met with a pathetic, sputtering trickle that felt like someone was aggressively weeping on me. We've all been there, staring at a wall of confusing hardware store options, wondering which one won't break within a month. Finding the perfect balance of pressure, coverage, and durability is surprisingly frustrating. Today, I'm breaking down the best Moen shower heads to save you that headache. But which one actually delivers that 5-star hotel experience? Let's find out. 5. Moen Engage Magnetix Shower Head. Starting off at number 5, we have the Moen Engage Magnetix. When I first installed this shower head, I was genuinely excited about the magnetic docking system. The idea of snapping the hand shower back into place without fumbling with a stiff plastic clip is a fantastic concept in theory, saving you from wrestling with wet hardware early in the morning. However, spending a few weeks with it revealed noticeable cracks in the armor. As an eco-performance model capped at 2.0 gallons per minute, the water pressure leaves a lot to be desired. If you have thick hair and rely on a forceful blast to rinse out shampoo, you'll definitely spend a lot longer showering. Another aspect that caught my attention during my testing phase was the overall build quality. While it looks sleek straight out of the box, handling it reveals a predominantly plastic construction. It lacks that heavy-duty metallic feel you expect when investing in Moen, leaving me questioning its long-term durability against accidental drops. The hose is sufficiently long and kink-free, making it easy to wash down shower walls. Ultimately, the magnetic feature is undeniably clever, but the compromise on water pressure and lightweight plastic materials make this a unit that feels more like an entry-level convenience rather than a true premium bathroom upgrade. 4. Moen Engage Chrome Magnetix Dual Shower Head. Moving to number 4. The Moen Engage Chrome Magnetix Dual Shower Head attempts to offer the best of both worlds by combining a fixed rain shower with a detachable hand shower. When I set this up, the initial impression was impressive, giving the enclosure a highly sophisticated, modern visual facelift that instantly catches the eye when you walk into the room. Yet, the dual-head design introduces frustrating compromises that became apparent during my daily routine. The biggest issue I encountered is how the water pressure is distributed. When running water through both heads simultaneously, the pressure drops significantly. It transforms from a decent shower into a weak drizzle, forcing you to use only one. Furthermore, the diverter switch, which controls where water flows, is positioned rather high up on the main unit, depending on your shower arm height. Reaching up to click through settings can be a frustrating stretch. Toggling back and forth felt a bit more like a chore than a seamless transition. The bulky profile also means it takes up a lot of visual space in a standard shower stall. The magnetic docking for the hand shower is still remarkably reliable, but given the significant pressure drop and awkward diverter placement, this model promises a spa-like dual flow, but simply struggles to deliver the power needed to back it up. 3. Moen Velocity Chrome 2 Function. And number 3, things start taking a massive turn for the better with the Moen Velocity Chrome 2 Function shower head. This is an 8-inch diameter rain shower. It utilizes Moen's immersion technology, a self-pressurizing system that channels water with significantly more force. The result is a truly enveloping, heavy rainfall experience that washes away stress after a particularly long and exhausting workday. What makes the Velocity stand out remarkably well is its sheer simplicity combined with exceptional execution. It focuses intensely on 2 flawless settings. A simple flip of the lever transitions the flow from a full coverage, calming rain to a concentrated, pressurized rinse that makes washing away thick soap completely effortless. The build quality here is exactly where Moen's stellar reputation truly shines through. Unlike the lighter plastic models, the Velocity is constructed from heavy-duty brass with a stunning, highly reflective chrome finish. Holding it before installation, the weight alone assures you that this is a premium piece of highly durable hardware. While it notably lacks a handheld wand, The sheer, unadulterated performance of the stationary head more than makes up for it. It utterly transformed my standard shower into something resembling a luxury hotel suite. It is a robust, elegant, and incredibly powerful shower head that does exactly what it needs to do perfectly. 2. Moen 214 R0CH Nebia by Moen. Coming in strongly at number 2 is the truly revolutionary Nebia by Moen. This isn't just a shower head. It is a completely different way to experience water. When I first got my hands on this unit, I was highly skeptical of the atomization technology, but my initial skepticism completely vanished after just one use, totally changing my perspective on water flow. The water coverage provided by this unique system is simply phenomenal to experience firsthand. Because the water is deeply atomized, it gently yet warmly envelopes your entire body simultaneously. The engineering behind the adjustable magnetic arm is also a genuine marvel, allowing you to easily customize the height with minimal physical effort. What blew my mind the most during my thorough testing was the incredible water conservation aspect. It delivers this incredibly immersive, spa-like experience while using significantly less water than standard shower heads. The velocity of the warm microdrops is perfectly calibrated to effectively rinse out heavy shampoo without any frustrating struggle. The entire installation process was also surprisingly straightforward for such a sophisticated-looking piece of equipment. It took me less than 20 minutes without needing a plumber. The Nebia completely redefines what a daily shower should genuinely feel like. It is brilliantly innovative, beautifully designed, and highly environmentally conscious without ever sacrificing a drop of luxury. 1. Moen Velocity Chrome 2-Function Rainshower. Taking the highly coveted number 1 spot on our list is the absolute pinnacle of daily luxury. The Moen Velocity Chrome 2-Function Rainshower, specifically the S60 345 model. I installed this directly in my master bathroom, and it has completely ruined standard shower heads for me. It provides an astonishingly broad canopy of water that drenches you beautifully from shoulder to shoulder instantly. The secret weapon built into this beautiful fixture is the advanced immersion rain shower technology, refining water delivery to absolute perfection. The water is channeled in a precise way that multiplies the natural pressure, compensating brilliantly for weaker household plumbing. The full spray setting genuinely feels like standing peacefully under a warm tropical downpour. Switching over to the concentrated rinse mode is just as deeply satisfying. With a smooth toggle, the water perfectly focuses into the center nozzles, providing a forceful, massaging stream for sore muscles. The solid metal construction of this unit is impeccable, radiating a high-end, heavy-duty durability that will gleam securely on your wall for decades to come. Absolutely everything about this premier shower head, from the flawless, heavy water distribution to the genuinely effortless maintenance of the self-cleaning nozzles, represents Moen functioning at its absolute best. It perfectly executes the fundamental, simple act of showering, delivering unparalleled pressure, majestic coverage, and a metallic build quality that is second to none. Ultra. That's all for today.